Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the winter box from Privileged Clothing. If you don't know who they are, I will be linking all the videos that I've done prior for this video so you understand what I'm talking about. But they're Vancouver boss babes. They do a quarterly subscription box, and there's clothing, there's a bunch of they have a bunch of stuff in here, and it's really amazing. For $59.99 you get $200 worth of stuff. So yeah, make sure you check out their Instagram to keep up to date on new stuff that they have. And yeah, let's get into this video. I just got this box yesterday, so as I'm filming this, it is the next day. But this video won't go up for a while because I have other ones that I have to go up first. But anyways, so as I'm opening it, yes, super cute, right? Style, snap, share. This is style for the Priv box, so make sure you Instagram that. Yes, so there's a bunch of stuff. There's sprays, there's jewelry, there's a bronzer. Oh my god, we're gonna get all into it. So first things first is Hellofresh. We have 55% off coupon. I'm not going to show it, but I'm just going to do that because I am using this. I cannot wait to use this. I've never really used Hellofresh before, so yeah, you choose your plan. I've never done it before, so I'm really excited. Yeah, they deliver food to you. That's amazing. So anyways, the 55% off. It's my code. Can't use it, but we'll go by the order the way that it's in the pamphlet. So the next thing is the Basic by Priv Chaser Long Sleeve Tee. Ooh, and mine's in a charcoal. I'm so excited. Yes, and mine's in a large. It's a basic tee, which is what anybody needs in their collection. I find that a lot of basics are necessary in someone's closet, and just like this one, I can put this on with like a jean jacket or like a leather or pleather jacket, fake vegan leather jacket, and just basically go out like that, and they're just good basics that you need. So it's a long sleeve, as you can see, and I cannot wait to wear this. And this is $68. The Nova Scotia Fisherman Extreme Skincare Forest Charcoal Soap. How amazing. And this is $10, and I cannot wait to... It smells really good. I mean, I don't know what charcoal is supposed to smell like, but it smells really good. So I can't wait to try this to scrub my face. Cool. The next thing I'm so excited for is Lavender and Grace. Oh my god, I love their brand. It's a moon. Look how gorgeous. Oh, let's just take it out. So this is $60. It's a crystal moon. Lavender and Grace is from Vancouver as well. They're amazing, and their jewelry is bomb.com. Like, oh my god, it just needs to happen. So gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so excited. This is the one thing that I knew in the box that I was so excited about. But the next thing is K Pure Naturals. Oh, it's so packaged so nicely, you guys. Like, look at this. Very nice. So we have K Pure Naturals in Settle Down and Keep Going. And these are energizing essential oil spray, and the other one is the calming essential oil spray. So you do this on your pillow, face, and body. And this one can be on your gym bag. So these are them. I kind of want to spray it. Ooh, I like it. Next one. Ooh, I like that one. All right. Settle down. Settle down. Or just keep going. Ooh, it smells so nice in here. Okay, anyways, so the next thing that I see is the Luna Bronze Tanning Moisturizer. Okay, I bought the actual tanning lotion with the glove, so I'm so excited that this is in the box because now I have both and I can use both. I'm so excited. Luna Bronze, like, really amazing. I know I have yet to use this, but I will use this. I will. I think I'm gonna use it this weekend. So anyways, I cannot wait to use this. Luna Bronze. And this is $42. Sorry, these are 18. Oh, retract. These are 18. And this is 42. And last but not least, what's in the bag is this gorgeous bag. I love totes. And it's big, and it says party time. That's amazing. And it's like time as in like for the grocery market, you know, like the farmer's market, you know. So this is $20 farmer's market tote, and I love it because I can always use more bags because they don't come very often, and it's like opens like that. Cute! I'm so excited. Party time. That's pretty clever. Anyways, that is the end of this video. That is the end of this box unboxing. I think you guys get so much great stuff, and they are an amazing brand, company, and everything. If you guys get a box, make sure you tag me in it. Let me know that you guys bought it and tell me what was your favorite part of this. I cannot wait to use everything and anything. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment below on if you order a box or if you think about ordering a box, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe. I do weekly videos, and I just want to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm so close. But yeah, anyways, that's the end of this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.